Forget about law of attraction and forget about everything that you have learned about manifestation. This is how you use the law of assumption to completely level up in life. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. And I would just like to say thank you everyone who filled out the group trip survey. Your input helped shape something absolutely magical, and I am finally ready to announce the trip details. We will be going to Crete, Greece in early May 2026. Crete is the largest of the Greek Isles. It is a dreamy mix of rich mythology, crystal clear waters, and untouched beauty. But you and me, we're not just going there on vacation. We are going on a 7-day coastal Mediterranean adventure. This is an immersive experience designed for history lovers, adventurers, and nature seekers alike. We will uncover Minoan secrets at an archaeological site, relax with plenty of beach swims, and explore hidden waterfalls. We will wander through the charming alleyways of Chania city, soak in the sun, and live in the storybook version of Greece. We will be living a fairy tale. If you are ready for sun, culture, connection, and adventure, this is your trip. If you want to meet me and travel with me, get to know me, talk about all things law of assumption and manifestation on this trip, this is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Add your email in the first link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get first access and early bird pricing the moment it goes live. You really want to get in on this quick because spots are limited. I'm going to be sharing itinerary details and pricing and everything to do with this trip in the next couple of days and until we basically fly out. So stay tuned because Crete 2026 is calling. Finally, I manifest for this video to change your life for the absolute best, and with that, let's get into it. The waters have been motherfucking muddied with too much information that you have been consuming over here on YouTube and God knows who else where. All you need to know is it is whatever you think it is. Literally throw everything away. When are you going to grow up and just manifest? By thinking that it is in your reality right now. Stop with the fucking question. You have such a big opportunity because you know about the law of assumption. It's getting fucking ridiculous. Get it over and done with. That manifestation that has been sitting on your freaking bookshelf that's dusty, that you haven't looked at for so long because you don't think it's possible. It's fucking ridiculous because literally 5 months ago, you could have been living your best life with this manifestation. And the only thing that is holding you back, that is literally your own doubt. You are your own biggest op. Literally no one else has control but you. When are you going to begin being the main motherfucking character of your life? How are you going to be a motherfucking loser in your own reality, babe? Please, just manifest. Just think that you have your manifestation right now. That's it. What is there to complicate? Nothing. Duh. I'm sick of y'all. I feel like y'all are stupid and dumb and stupid because it really is so simple that it's embarrassing. And I'm embarrassed for you. Like, I just have to think that I am a multimillionaire. I am a multimillionaire right now. It is the truth in my reality right now. That's it. And I continue to think that until it comes. And fuck everything else. I don't care what you heard about vision boards and law of attraction or speaking it into existence or whatever bullshit that you have heard about manifesting your dream life. It's all bullshit. I'm sorry to say. Do you have your manifestation? No, you don't. Because you're not listening to me. Anything that goes against the following statement, you should throw out and you should never entertain ever again. It is whatever you think it is. What the fuck do vision boards have to do with any of this? These people want clicks, these people want more content, and it is confusing the fuck out of you. Just think that you have it right now in this reality. Know that it is in your reality right now. In this reality right now. Not in the 4D, not in the 69D, in this current 3D reality. Whatever the date is right now. And whatever tells you that that is not the case, whether it's a loser on social media, whether it's your mom, whether it's your own goddamn mind, or your real life circumstances telling you no, this isn't the case. We are throwing that all out in the trash. We are ignoring it. It's as good as dead to us. You don't have to be some kind of a magician in order to get this. Just think that you have your manifestation now and ignore everything that says otherwise. That's it. I'm leaving it up to you because I'm sick and tired of answering the questions of, but this happened in my 3D reality. None of it fucking matters. I'm tired of watching these generic TikTok videos that have learnt about the law of attraction 6 months ago, and now they're trying to get a quick buck. Leave it in 2024. We're in 2025 now. We're almost goddamn halfway through 2025 and you're still in your learning stage. You're still questioning. Bitch, the second that you learn about the law of assumption, you should have been like, yeah, I'm an expert now. Because you understood that it is whatever I think it is. So anything past that point is just delirious bullshit trying to distract you from you living out your desires. You want your dream life? You want your romantic partner? You want to make $10,000 a month? You want to buy that house? You want to have glowing skin? You want to be skinny? You want to be a pop singer? You want your celebrity to notice you and maybe message you online? You want to get a cat? You want to travel at least once a year, 2 times a year, 3 times a year, every single month, first class? Anything. Yes to all of it. Yes and yes. Thank you. After learning about the law of assumption, you should know that everything is cream of the crop. You're in the grocery store, Trader Joe's, and you're just picking out everything that you want. You have an unlimited amount of money. I'm getting this, thank you. I'm getting this, I'm getting an apple, and I'm getting some chips, and I'm getting mango fried sticky rice. I'm getting everything because my money, my resources, my energy, my mind is unlimited. So it's the same for your reality right now. Your mind is motherfucking unlimited. That's it, period. And you don't have to bend over backwards or jump through hoops in order to just think that you have it now. Know and trust that that is enough. Everything else is extra. So repeat after me. It is whatever I think it is right now, period. Don't forget to add your email in the link down below to be updated on all things Crete, Greece, the group trip, to go there. I'm so excited for you to join me in Greece. That is in the first link in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. I love you all so much. I intend that this video give you the guidance that you needed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.